So we're looking here to the Bitcoin price. What is the last status? I'm sure that many of the investors, also the Mumbai's, have now wet fingers, yeah, because this is a area which is very difficult to trade. Yeah, so it is a 50-50 risk and win. Yeah, so normally this is a hammer and we will go here to the upside. This is clear. Yeah, 100% sure the price will go here to the upside. Now, but the problem is that the whales have here a lot of play, yeah, a lot of range to manipulate the price to the downside, yeah, because everything what they make makes sense, yeah. So they can let the price like this pump, they can let the price like this pump, and they can let the price like this pump. Area of these three patterns is correct or have the correct behavior, yeah, and that makes the prediction difficult. And now let's look here to the inside, and we can here see our inverse left shoulder head and right shoulder formation, yeah, and for me is important what happens here, yeah. If we fall out of range here, then we have a big problem. If we staying here exactly on this line, then we have no problems. Yeah, so you can see the price is going up. So if we look from the technical point of view, this, let me look, this behavior, what we see here, you can see this also in my seminar, this here, give us a sign, okay, a big pump is coming. Yeah. And this is a very important key to recognize this. Yeah. So if you visit my seminar, yeah, then you would exactly know, okay, from this point the price will go to the upside. Yeah. So I'm calculating a move like this. I'm also sure that they could the price manipulate to the downside a little bit to the downside. Yeah. Like let me look here to these areas. Yeah. So everything is valid, what I show you here at the beginning of the video. So, but in my head is that we're going here directly to the upside. I know they have the possibility to manipulate a little bit to the downside, um, like this, yeah. But in general, we have here positive signs so that we have the possibility to go here to these levels. Yeah, this is a wonderful formation, and for me, this likes a W pattern. Yeah, the price will go up, and the question is how far the whales can manipulate this point to the downside. Yeah, that is exactly not seen. In my eyes, in my calculation, we are finished. So we have to go here to the upside. If I look here to this 1 minute chart, you can see how exactly we have to look to understand the manipulation in the 1 minute chart. Think about this. So this is a good pattern. Yeah, normally I would expect a really big pump like this. We have the patterns here for this. Everything looks like good, yeah. But you can see it was stressful since 30th of January. Yeah, 7 days, 6 days, 10 days, only sideways movement, and this is yeah, take a lot of nerves from us. Yeah, so we are in a critical area. We are that not means here that we have not the possibility to fall. At the current situation, it looks like good. Yeah, we're staying here on these levels. Look how many times we test this level here. Let me look here, take this. You can see we tested so much time and we not drop to the downside. And that give us the confident that the price will go to the upside, because you can see we still not break this structure to the downside. And this is a strong pattern for us that give us the information, okay, something big move is coming. Yeah. Especially if we say, okay, we have here a falling wedge. Let me look. So we make here this red. You can see if we break here the red line. I delete this so that you can see this. If we break the red line here, then for us new channels are opening and we can go here to the upside. Yeah, so we are here in a really critical situation. So it is really hard to predict. Yeah, but I'm sure we will go here to the upside. Maybe I'm wrong, but if we look here to the last formations, yeah, I expect here a pump to the upside. Why I'm sure this is not the only signs what I'm looking, yeah. If we zoom out, yeah, this is not the only key that we have here. If you look to the general picture, then this move here is only a retest. Yeah, that means the retest is happening at the moment. And if this finish the retest, no matter if you're going to 21,500 to if you're going to 22,000, the retest will finish. Yeah, and then the next move will begin. And this is the fat bonus or the gains that what we want. Yeah. So it would be makes no sense if we drop to the downside like this, yeah, and make this formation. It's also valid. Yeah, then we have a W pattern, but from the chart technical point of view, this formation would make no sense. Yeah, we already made our formations here. Yeah, we have here our structures, and to make again a move to the downside, to again to the sideways. This is from the chart technical point of view make no sense. Also here in the RSI, you can see how beautiful this is. The retest is happening here at the moment, and we will fly. Yeah, we will fly. This is 100% sure. Here's the question: how far the whales manipulate the price to the downside? Yeah, if we look more inside, then you can see that we have the possibility to go here to the upside. But you can see in the 1 minute chart, this is not, how can I say, we cannot see 100%. Yeah, this is valid and this is valid. Yeah, so they have a lot of play to manipulate in the 1 minute chart. But in general, if we look here to the overview, yeah, then we can say, okay, we expect a pump like this. If this is happening, if we build this here once, only one time, we're going to the upside. Yeah, let's make this better for you. If we make this only one time and go out of this channel, make this, and go here to these levels, then the price will fly. This is important. We have to come out from this triangle. Yeah, have a nice day. Please make the membership. I will update the videos. See you later. Thank you.